Hello everybody and welcome to my channel. Today we are going to unbox this MAG Forge 128 Airflow gaming case. So this gaming case I picked up real cheap. It was in a promotion. I think under 70 euro, something like that. 60 euro maybe, 70 euro, something like that. So I picked it up. It's from MSI. Not everything from MSI is good, but I like MSI. It is a brand, so everybody has his brand. So yes, I picked up this case to put the big motherboard into it because all my cases are for Micro-ATX or Mini-ITX, and this is for a full ATX version. Because I had a motherboard for that, I will go to install it in that. So that's why I bought this case. It was in a promotion. It was from MSI, so I liked it. So this is the case, as you can see it. And yeah, we are going to unbox this now. So yeah, I hope you like this video. Please don't forget to subscribe to our channel, because we are giving away nice prizes to subscribers of our channel. You only have to subscribe, and when you win something you will get notified. So yeah, subscribing is free. You can win laptops, Bluetooth stuff, computers, all kinds of things. We have a lot of things. So please don't forget to subscribe, because it's completely free. You understand? So please do so. So this is the box. This is the box, and yeah, you open it like that. Voila. Voila. So this is already an opening. So you see it. This is the box from above. So the case is in it. You see? The case is in it. I go to pull it out like that. It doesn't matter that I break this, because that's no problem. There's some plastic on it. Is there a good way to unbox it? No, there is no good way anyway. It's not an easy one. Anyway, I go to try it otherwise. Maybe like that, upside down. Yes, that's more easier. You hold the thing upside down. Voila. So here you see it upside down. We remove this isolation foam, or how do you call that in English? So this is the case, and to be honest, I like it. I already start to like it. You see what you see. It's yeah, it's a big case, huh? This is a very big case. So here you have that's a filter for the dust. You have two big fans in it. I think it's 120mm fans. And then here you have the USB connection front panel with power button and audio connectors and LED things. There is LED built in. There are fans in the front, two above, one in the back. Here you see it, one in the back. So yeah, it's a quite big case, if you see what I mean. Huh? So we are going to install this completely. For that, check out my other video. And then yes, so here you can put the ATX power supply unit, a full size ATX motherboard, and then you can open the screws here. We are going to do that. I put the screws on the side here, voila. Then you can slide out this, and then we come into the side panel. So this is the side panel. That's for the RGB lighting, so you can connect possibly multiple things to it. Oh no, this is for the cooler. This is for the cooler. Here you have the slides, and what is this? This is for the front panel connector, audio and USB, stuff like that. And then yeah, this is something new for me. This is only for the fans, so I do not see an RGB lighting here in it. And then here you have the, what is this? That's a slide for the hard disk. So you can put a hard disk. There's two slides. I will show you one slide. I think you can put a 2.5 inch and a 3.5 inch into it. So it's made for that, and you can easily slide it in like that. The only thing that is my concern is that I don't see any RGB lighting here into it, but anyway, we take it like it is. We always can buy a controller after that. So here you have 2 screws for the glass panel. Always take care that you do not drop it as you see it now, because it can really drops, and when it drops then it's broken. You are in a problem. You understand? So this is the glass panel, and then here you have the European notices, Union notice. So that's for the rules or things like that for a case like this. And then I'm not sure how this RGB thing works anyway. We are going to install the motherboard any moment now. Please check out my other movies for that, and if you like this movie, you like it, because with the like button we can show you more of these things. And don't forget to subscribe, because we are giving away very nice prizes to subscribers of our channel. You only have to subscribe, and when you win something you will get notified. So please don't forget to subscribe. Here we have another sack with screws in it. I will open this, so I will check what is in it. Hold on 1 second. I put this back. Voila. Here you have a lot of screws. These are screws for the motherboard, a backplate for the I/O, and then some cable stops, or how do you call it? So voila, this is the case. And I believe you easily can remove the front here also. Although somebody told me that it's very easy to remove it, but it's possibly that it was another case. It's also from MSI, but not this case. I'm not sure. I'm not going to force it, because I don't know how it goes. But anyway, you see the front here. So this is the complete case. Oh yes, and then on the bottom, before I forget that, on the bottom you also have a magnetic cover, so you can do that away and put it back. It's magnetic. It's a cover for dust, the dust cover or something like that. And here you have to slide open the entire metal from the hard disk here. So you can fully disassemble it everywhere. So voila, this was it. I hope you liked it, and please don't forget to subscribe to our channel. We are giving away nice prizes, laptops, computer stuff, Bluetooth stuff, smartphones, all kinds of things like that. So do not forget to subscribe, and do not forget to like it. And please also check out my other videos where I go to put in the motherboard, the processor, and all things like that. I will put everything into that. I will completely fix the entire case, and then you can see that in my channel, in my other movies. I will add them later. I see you, and thank you for watching, and bye bye.